Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Synder and Hubdoc. So get started with a quick and a full analysis about what this platform are best for and what they have. So let's get started with the Synder. Synder is a powerful accounting automation tools designed for e-commerce, SaaS, and a service-based businesses. It shines with a multi-platform payment like syncing into Stream, PayPal, Shopify, Amazon, and also automatic transaction reconciliation and accurate sales tax tracking with a real-time syncing into QuickBooks, Zero, or a sender's book. It also reduces the manual entry and simplifies sales channel accounting. I'm talking about Hubdoc on the other hand. It's focused on the document collection and data extraction. It automates the caption and storage of bills received and bank statement, feeding them into an accounting platform for streamlined bookkeeping. It's particularly useful for accountant and a bookkeepers looking to digitalize paperwork and eliminate manual data entry for clients. I'm talking about these two platforms are best at, starting with the Synder. Synder is best for business with a high volume online sales and a multiple payment platform. Then talking about the Hubdoc on the other hand is best for accountants or businesses needing a document management and entry automation. I'm talking about the overall conclusion about this platform to help you decide which of these would be a better option for you. So you can just choose in between the two, depends on your need for for your business. So you can simply go for Synder if your business handles an e-commerce sales, digital payment, or a multi-channel revenue and need a powerful automation for transaction syncing, reconciliation, and a reporting. Then on the other hand, if your business has the priority for automating document captures and reducing paper clutter, especially if you are already using a Zero or a QuickBook and you want a simple way to manage your source document, just go for Hubdoc and that's it. Let me know in the comment section which of these would be a better option for you. Thanks.